we can go across to Aishwarya Paliwal now. Aishwarya, by when is this meeting, with the subject expert committee going to end? Because we hear that emergency use approval is likely to be granted today itself.
Well, that is what we are also picking up, Shiv, at the moment. See, it will be very difficult to say by what time the meeting will get over, because please do understand this is a very crucial meeting which is going on. But yes, from the information which we have got just now is that the recommendation from the approval will definitely be given today, and this will be for emergency use. So now two things which are coming out are very clear. We are still waiting for an official statement to come out, but from what we understand, this very crucial SEC meeting is still going on, and the modalities, what all will be granted, the modalities at the moment, those are being finalized as we speak, Shiv.
Modalities are being finalized as we speak. That meeting is still very much on. Is likely to continue for a little longer until we get a categorical confirmation on this. It's an important time, Aishwarya, as well, because tomorrow the nationwide dry run is also set to take place. It's going to be extremely important for India to get it right ahead of the dry run. So things are going to be moving quite fast.
Things definitely will be moving quite fast, and we also saw, Shiv, how earlier in the 4 states also the dry run took place. Now what the government is focusing on is the way in which the transportation of the vaccines will take place, how will the distribution take place, where will the storage take place. All these things were being worked out even as the approvals were being awaited by Bharat Biotech, also by SII. So definitely all these things are in the pipeline. From what we understand, states also very shortly from now will be given a mandate. They will be told how to make sure those people who are in the priority list, they are the ones who get the vaccination first, because that, according to many experts, is a big challenge in front of our country. Given the density, given our population, that is something which both the state government as well as the central government will now very keenly have to look at. But yes, Shiv, even as we speak, the very crucial